Like in the days of Jonah, John the Baptist was in the wilderness speaking, "Prepare ye the way of the Lord, for he that is coming is greater than me." This same way I was speaking in the year 2015. People should listen to Jonathan, they refuse. You people should vote for Jonathan, they refuse. Look at where we are today. Another election is coming, and I'm still saying, vote for Obi for his better. Vote for Obi for his better. You can't give what you don't have. These people don't have it. They don't have it. Listen to Jonathan once again to remember what he said concerning these people.
We can no longer go backward. We must move forward. And I said that when you talk about change, the only thing that can bring a lasting change in this country is the implementation of the national conference that all Nigerians gathered to come up with a document and say that if we begin to do things this way, we will change this country for better. These people who are talking about change refuse to participate. They say they will not implement it. So what change are they bringing? Every time you listen to them, you see the bitterness in their hearts. Bitter, anger, as if somebody has taken their property. Venom. And I said that, look, you cannot give what you don't have. If you don't have a peaceful heart, a friendly heart, you cannot bring peace to people. For you to bring peace, you must be somebody who can forgive. Somebody who brings peace. It's not somebody who will ask people to go and kill that will bring peace. It will bring crisis to us. Especially now that society is so sophisticated and small light arms and small weapons are all over the place. You set this country ablaze. And we will not go back to those primitive days. This country must move forward.